Put down the phone and focus on me, baby. We've been through a lot. I held you down, so give me what you got. Don't let it stop.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here today. And today I am creating this eye look that I am loving with this Cyber lipstick. I am in love with Cyber. Cyber is my all-time favorite lipstick from MAC. If you want to see this eye look, then let's get right into this video. So I'm going to use P. Louise Base Rumor 2 and pack that all on the lid. I don't know what eye look I'm going to do today. I'm just winging it. Oh, it's busted. I'm going to have to buy a new one. I'm sick if you can't hear. I'm going to go into the Magic by Juvia's Place into this blue. Look how pigmented that is. Can you see? Woo! Right here, I'm using the Morphe M431 brush. I'm just outlining the crease of my eyelids and like making a wing because I really don't know what I want to do. I'm going to go to the ABH Nirvana. I'm going to go into this purple right here. Now I'm marrying these two colors together. Then I'm going to go into B2, which is this pink right here. Blending is key. Like, take your time. Oh, in the way. Cleaning this off. Woo, it's dripping down in my eye. P. Louise Base, salty as fuck. Cause y'all bitches be salty. No. That's what I get for talking smack. Making a fucking mess for real. I would like to buff this out. What do I want to do, guys? I decided to not go past it because I did go past it, so I fixed it. I'm going to go into Kessie in the Magic by Juvia's Place. If there's any other makeup looks y'all want me to recreate, just comment that down below. Well, I didn't do that first. Now I'm going to go in. Let me clean it up. I'm going to clean it up because I messed up. Trial and error, people. Trial and error. Something is off. Don't know what it is. I think I'm gonna put glitter there. Absolutely. Should it be blue glitter? Sin City wasn't made for y'all. Angels like you. Do they not? Do they not? Ooh. Why do I want to do this a different color over here? Like, I think I want to do yellow over here. I'm just leave it the way it is. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. I'm going to do the other eye. Hopefully they match up the same. And yeah. I'm sorry if my camera keep messing up, but yeah, this is the eye look. I did both eyes. My eyes is tearing, of course, because it wants to be a biatch. Both of them is tearing. Dang. What I did. Let's prime the face. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Grip Primer. Oh, I should have wiped my face first. Where's the makeup? Where's the makeup wipe? I should have wiped my face first. All the glitter. Y'all wanted that. You wanted that. You wanted that. Then I'm gonna use the Milk Hydro Eye Grip Primer. Should I use the Makeup by Mario? Should I? Should I? Going this way. My NARS, which is almost done. I love NARS. I haven't used my Beauty Bake. I think I'm gonna go into my Makeup by Mario just because it's looking real orange. Am I supposed to shake it up? Don't know why I'm using this brush. This is definitely for powder. Oh my god, it was not orange before. Why are you doing it? Should I put my light on? I should always have my light on. I'm playing. I'm gonna use my Fenty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. I did all of this sober. Don't you know? So I forgot my nose and none of you guys are going to say anything. Yeesh. Quiet on set. Quiet on set. They don't respect my shit. I'm going into my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I'm going to go into the Jouer Soft Focus. So I'm going into the Beauty Blender in shade Topaz. Do you see the difference? I think I'm going to go into this Doja Cat blush in the corner right here. Set my face using the good old Urban Decay All Nighter. So I'm gonna go in with the MAC XT on the Tailor, which is like a purpley, and I'm gonna line my lips. I think I'm gonna go in with Cyber. I think I'm gonna go to, this was my favorite lipstick of all time. Yep, absolutely, hands down. I'm gonna go into my Doja Cat. Y'all know this is my favorite of all time right now. What y'all think about this look? Let me know down below. I'm really loving the purple. Cyber, is definitely my all-time favorite. I'm loving Cyber. Cyber is just like nail on the head, nail on the head. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this a video a big fat thumbs up. Till next time, peace.